Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Noshi. I'm a single black mother living in South Korea. I've been in South Korea since 2017, November 28th, and I just want to showcase my life in South Korea, how it's like, how the homes in South Korea is like, and living in South Korea with a kid. Yes, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's how you're gonna get. My daughter is almost 4 years old. April 14th is making her 4 years, and she's gonna be helping me to show you guys our life here in South Korea. So just sit back and enjoy while I clean our apartment.
Should you ever feel the need to wonder why? Let me know. Let me know. Let me
So guys, thanks for watching to this print. Please share this video, comment below, like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.